Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to show or hide paragraph marks in WPS Office. So how you see on this page we have multiple paragraph marks. So here is paragraph mark, here is paragraph mark, and there is paragraph mark. If you would like to hide them, you need to move your cursor to the upper side and then you need to check if you are in the Home tab. It is very important because here you will find a really useful options, and one of them is this one option. It will let you to show or hide editing marks and paragraph layout buttons in the document. So you need to click on this one arrow, and then if you would like to hide paragraph marks, you need to click on this one option. How you see it is actually checked, so you need to uncheck this option and paragraph marks will be successfully hidden. Of course, if you would like to enable it again, you need to click on this one arrow and you need to click on show hide paragraphs marks again. So in this way you can easily enable or disable paragraph marks in WPS Office. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.